Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lettuce smoothie. These vibrant green drinks are a fantastic way to boost your daily nutrition. They pack a punch of essential vitamins and minerals, keeping you feeling great. Plus, the fiber content aids digestion and they are super hydrating. It's a simple, delicious method to increase your vegetable intake and support overall wellness. Let's get blending. To start, you'll need fresh lettuce. Romaine is a popular choice for its mild flavor and nutrient density. Next, grab a ripe banana or an apple to add natural sweetness and help create a creamy texture. Finally, choose your liquid base. Water, coconut water, or almond milk all work wonderfully. Having these core ingredients ready makes the process smooth.
On another note, if you're finding this video helpful, please take a moment to subscribe and like it. And speaking of freshness, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a small touch that makes a big difference. You can find the link for that and other great deals in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
First, ensure your lettuce is clean and chopped into manageable pieces for easy blending. Then, add all your prepared ingredients into a high-speed blender, placing softer items like banana at the bottom, followed by greens and harder fruits, can help. Blend on a low setting initially, then increase speed until your smoothie is perfectly smooth and creamy. Add a little more liquid if you prefer a thinner drink. Personalize your lettuce smoothie to suit your taste. A splash of lemon juice or a small piece of fresh ginger can add a refreshing zing. For an extra nutritional boost, consider adding a tablespoon of chia seeds, flax seeds, or your favorite protein powder. If you prefer a sweeter smoothie, a touch of honey or maple syrup works well. Experiment to find your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.